Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the MKB Captain. So, the news came from the Oppo, the first Oppo under-screen camera phones hands-on. As you can see in your screen, the under-screen camera are almost aboard, as a couple of manufacturers have already revealed that they are working on perfected the technology, so it's ready for the end user. Today at the Oppo I/O Day 2019, the Chinese manufacturer showcased one of its prototypes that look pretty close to an actual phone ready for mass production. Interestingly, Oppo prototype is not relying only in its front-facing camera novel. It has a seamless buttonless design with no ports and camera bumps as well. The screen has a big curvature, but not an extreme as a Vivo Nex 3 or Huawei Mate 30 Pro display. This has allowed Oppo to do slightly better job with the pressure sensitivity buttons to the side. There is more room for them and are easier to operate with the compared to the Vivo Nex 3. The difference is not as noticeable through. Moreover, since the phone does not have any ports, it's realized only one wireless charging for using. The handset support 30-watt fast wireless charging, so user won't have to feel like they are making a compromise by not having a fast wired charging. After all, 30-watt is pretty fast, although you will still have to carry a wireless charger with you when you need to top up while you are on the road. And as for the in-screen camera, it still seems like an early implementation. For example, you can easily see the square of the camera when there are lighter color around it, like white, light gray, etc. But when darker tones are displayed, you will have a hard time finding where exactly the cutout for the camera is. The initial version of implementation delivered 50% less light to the sensor compared to the standard design, but now it's considerable better, and the research team is still tweaking the design of the OLED panel to improve the camera in this regard. Unfortunately, actual numbers we provide here are a couple of selfies taken with the prototype. They do not look bad at all, especially for a prototype in its early stage. Oh, and do not mind the EXIF data because Oppo said the specs will change over time. Well, these are some of the novelties in the design, and in the selfie camera department, the phone still feel like an Oppo handset with its rounded corner and a glass finish. We were told that since the phone is still prototype, a lot could change over the course of development and the final result will vary. Speaking of changes, we will still want to note that Oppo promised significant improvement regarding camera visibility and performance before the final units arrive. The company did not give any specific time frame, but we hope the prototype make it to board like it sometime next year. The idea of having an invisible front-facing camera is exacting, to say the least. So guys, comment below, are you like this under display Oppo phone? Let me know your thought in the comment section, and if you like this video, thumbs up and share with your friends. And for more tech news and smartphone comparison, hit that subscribe button, enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.